All right, let's take a look. Here's what happened in the markets today on Tuesday, December 15th. And we're going to do this in 3 minutes or less. So let's jump right in and see what's happening. So today, stocks were up more than 1% today. As you can see here, we got some good news about the next stimulus package. So the Dow is up 1.13%, so we gained 337 points. The S&P is up 1.29%, and the NASDAQ climbed 1%. But if we take a look at this, the big winner today was Apple. As you can see, Apple here. Let's quickly zoom in. Up more than 5%, as you can see. So Apple had a great day today because they reported that they will increase iPhone production by about 30% in the first half of 2021. Now, stocks were up because there were good news on the stimulus front. Because here's what happened. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi reached out to Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell to discuss a new stimulus package. And the idea is to split the package into two parts. $748 billion in spending for programs that both parties agree on, which would include $300 per week for unemployment benefits, and then another $300 billion for more loans under the Paycheck Protection Program. And the other part would be $160 billion, which includes the areas that Democrats and Republicans are still disagreeing on, like financial aid to state and local governments. Now, it sounds like a great idea to split the stimulus package into two parts. One that everybody agrees on, which is the bigger package. So let's get this out of the way, and then we can still negotiate the smaller package. So this has actually a chance to go through, and it's much needed because there's a tug of war between bad coronavirus news and good vaccine news. So let's start with the good news first. Since yesterday, people are getting shots from the vaccine developed by Pfizer and the German company BioNTech. And this morning, the FDA said that Moderna's coronavirus vaccine met the expectations, or it meets the expectations for emergency use. So the second vaccine could be approved as early as Friday. But there's also more than 300,000 deaths here in the United States from this nasty virus. And right now, every single minute, somebody is dying from the virus here in the US. And you see, yesterday, the mayor of New York City said that there could be a full shutdown of the city. But if we're going back and looking at the markets here, today, as you can see, traders focused on the positive news about the stimulus package and markets closed higher. So, is this the first taste of a Santa Claus rally? Well, we'll see what happens. Let's see what is on deck for tomorrow. So for tomorrow, we have quite a few economic reports. Let's zoom in. As you can see, there's core retail sales, there's retail sales, the flash manufacturing PMI. But the most important report for tomorrow is the FOMC economic projections. And I expect Fed Chief Powell to paint a pretty dark picture. Anyhow, this wraps up today's stock market news in, as I promised, well, it's 4 minutes, I guess, 4 minutes or less. And keep in mind, always trade what you see and not what you think. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.